Hey guys, thanks for watching my channel. This video is a recurl touch up on my wig unit. I had it curled like this at first, and now I'm just about to straighten it out and see how it turned out. I also like to wait to lift my wig all the way up until I do my baby hairs. That's that white looking part that you see on my head right now. That's the wig cap. I do eventually slide the wig all the way up, but I like to wait until I do my baby hair. The purpose for this wig was for me to practice my cutting and to practice doing layers. And I have faith in myself that one day I will be one hell of a wig maker. And I'm going to keep perfecting my craft until I do get to that point. As I make my wigs, it takes me at least 2.5 days to complete the whole wig. I do like to take my time on my wigs because I always want it to be better than the last wig that I made. I always catch myself finding different techniques with making my wigs. So that's why I love making wigs, because I do see myself potentially getting great at what I do as far as making wigs. I also just recently got contacted by this hair company to do a hair review for them. I will make a wig out of that hair, and when I do make that wig, I will definitely show y'all how I make my wig, so that way maybe you can start on your own and save some money as well. So I usually use a headband instead of a do-rag to sit up on the dryer with, but I lost my headband, so I'm just using this do-rag for the time being. I use some molding foam and some oil sheen to give it a little shine, and I sit up on the dryer for a good 15 minutes. The only thing about this do-rag, if you use the do-rag, definitely don't sit up on the dryer for too long, because you will have a deep crease in your hair, and you don't want to do that because you will have to re-flat iron the whole hair. But when I do take the do-rag off, I do go back over with my flat iron to get the little crease out. But other than that, the do-rag do get the job done. So let's see how it turns out.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
And here is the finished look. I added some concealer to the part to make it look more natural. But other than that, I love how it turned out. I'm actually going to keep cutting on this wig because that's why I made the wig, to practice on my cutting. And again, this is some old hair that I've been had over the years now. I just added a newer closure to it. I'm actually gonna start selling wigs, and I will definitely let you guys know when I'm gonna do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.